Attorney Jason Waechter here for Ride Free TV. I'm here with Simon Martin of Counteract. This is another cool product I've seen at the show today. Will you tell us a little bit about it? First of all, what is it?
Well, Counteract, what it is actually, it's an internal tire balancing product. So right now when guys go and get tires put on their wheels, they have to go through the balancing process. They have to mount the tire, spin it, and stick all those lead weights on the wheel. This is a direct replacement for the lead weights. So you don't need that balancing machine, you don't need anything like that. You just simply take the product, you put it on the inside of the tire or the inside of the tube as it's being mounted, and it's a lifetime balance. It just works off centrifugal force and inertia.
Does that help with someone who's maybe doing their own tires? It's an easier way to balance the tires?
Yeah, exactly. Like as you look here, we have a do-it-yourself kit. So this has everything in it for the customer to go at home, install the product into the valve stem themselves, and be on their way. So it's a really nice thing to do it yourself.
If somebody wanted some more information, where would they go?
Simply counteractbalancing.com. Everything's listed on our website, or you can go to one of our distributors' websites, and you can certainly get all the information there.
Fantastic. Thanks for sharing.
No problem.
Simon, I'm taking one of these cool hats.
That sounds good.